So guys, in today's video, we will be discussing about the second part of NOCs that we discussed with you in last week's video. So let's jump right into the video.
No. Before we jump into the video, you please subscribe if you have not already.
Yes guys, thank you so much for your support. Let's subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and let's start the video.
Hello and welcome to another video. So in the last video, as you might have seen, we discussed some very frequently invited NOCs, and those were in the categories of top management, middle management, lower management, officers, professionals, accounting, financing, IT and engineering categories. And today's video is going to be about some of the other important NOCs that are selected in like most frequently basis.
So the most popular NOCs in healthcare.
Right.
This NOC starts with number 3, and the kind of professions or the kind of categories or occupations that they have selected in the past couple draws have been lab technicians, respiratory therapist. It is different kinds of occupational therapists. They have picked paramedics, which are also called as first responders. So how things work here is, in case there's an emergency in terms of your health, you call 911 and there is a team of paramedics, an ambulance which actually comes to your place, whichever the location is, and then gets you ASAP to the healthcare facility, the hospital or wherever nearest they can take you. And they are the most highly demand profession these days. So that is another very important occupation here that has been picked for last couple draws, and you know the reason why.
Right.
Being COVID, they are always short of staff in this pandemic. So the prospects of this employment is very, very positive by the government. They have also forecasted that there will be a shortage of this staff in the coming days. So they want to call as many people, professionals in this profession, so they can build up their workforce.
Right. So because of COVID, as Neha said, the demand for the healthcare workers have gone up, which means if you are dealing with either you are a pharmacist or you are a nurse or you have to deal with some sort of healthcare line,
Yeah.
there is a high probability of your NOC getting selected. And again, because the governments have now realized that they need to spend more money in healthcare, not only Saskatchewan government, but everywhere in any other part of the world as well. The more importance is now going to be on healthcare. So that's why governments are trying very hard to fill up those gaps. And if you go on saskjobs.ca,
That's right.
you will see healthcare jobs every day. They need everybody from like data entry operator these days. And very recently, yesterday, we got our COVID test done.
That's another story. We will discuss that with you.
So how did that happen, and
Yeah.
why were we there? We went to a COVID test center yesterday and we got ourselves checked. And how that happened and why, we'll share that with you in an upcoming video. Coming back to our topic here, in this healthcare sector, we are going to show you some of the NOCs that are frequently selected on the screen. And those may be 30, they start with 32, 32, 11, 14, 16, and so on, depending on, again, your profession. But governments here, no, not here, just here, but everywhere are spending lots of money on healthcare sector now. And this NOCs related to this sector is going to be in demand for quite some time.
Exactly, and they pay good bucks in healthcare. So let's move on to the next NOC category that we are going to discuss.
Yeah. So the next category that we'll be talking about is something that we are asked about so many times, or I would say so many questions about this sector, which is education.
Yes.
So unfortunately, guys, teaching, or if you are in a teaching profession in the schools, like if you are a school teacher, the probability of your NOCs getting selected is not there. I mean, the teaching profession, Saskatchewan does not invite teachers from outside Canada. And I think it's on the exclusion list of the NOC as well. But the good thing is that many questions that people ask is also about university lecturers, professors, instructors, counselors. And all these NOCs are in demand. They have been demanded or selected recently. And they have been also selected in the past 6 draws that we actually reviewed.
Exactly.
So, but they might be a little slow right now. The reason you know it because of COVID, as all the universities in Saskatchewan and elsewhere, Saskatchewan Polytechnic and
Yeah.
University of Saskatchewan and Regina, they have all said that their in-person classes are cancelled until September 2021. And government here has a deadline to get everybody vaccinated by September 2021. So the next session of the university, when it starts, it might be in person.
Yes, and that is because it has gone distance learning, online learning.
Right.
So it has slowed down the in-person classroom trainings
Yeah.
and schooling.
So that's why the demand for these professions, for which is lecturers, professors, instructors, counselors, is not that much right now. But you can expect that demand to grow as and when the universities and the polytechnics or colleges open their doors and they start accepting people again. And then they are allowed to run classes in person.
So guys, the next popular category of NOCs is FSRs. Now FSRs are the financial sales representatives in the finance industry, which can be in a bank, in an insurance company, in any kind of company that sells financial instruments, which are like mutual funds, which are like benefits and pension plan, insurances. So there is ample opportunities for this, and I think that's one of the reason why they usually pick this category. So yes, this is again a very popular picked category in the last couple draws.
Right. So after FSRs, the next important category is telecommunication installers. So guys, as we have mentioned before, there was a category that I mentioned in the previous video, which was electronic service technician. This telecommunication installer is somewhat linked to that NOC as well. They both are the field technicians who go out to install internets, telephones,
security systems, and cable systems,
cable and all those like field technician people who go out and do home installations. So yeah, this is occupation in demand for sure.
Because it is kind of correlated with the economy. As the economy is developing, they need to develop all of these essential services that any household businesses would need.
So after this telecommunication, another important profile that is invited quite frequently is welding and machine operators. So people who are welders, who are machine operators, they are quite in demand here. Again, that's linked with the economy. And that my guess is that this category is gonna be invited again. The pace or the rate at which the construction and infrastructure building happens in summer is quite high. So that's why come spring there will be a huge demand for the people who can operate a machine or who is a welder.
Yes.
But this NOCs might help you get to Canada, Saskatchewan, Canada. But doesn't mean that when you land here, you will be able to get a job as a welder or a machine operator right away, because the safety standards are different. When you come here with these skills, you have to upgrade your skills. Again, same thing. Another NOC code that is gonna be in high demand come spring is gonna be supervisors in construction and carpentry, because as the weather gets warmer, there will be more and more houses getting built. And
the basis of every house is on wood. So
Right.
definitely they need people who are good in carpentry profession.
right.
Again, you have to do your certifications
Yeah.
before you expect. You would land here and don't get desperate if you don't get a call for your job, because
Right.
you need to invest a little bit in those small trainings.
Yeah.
And then you are open, you are to get a job, you get certifications that they are looking for anybody.
Yeah.
This is a big drawback when you talk about when you come here in Canada. They want you to get certified as per their standards. That's their trust factor.
After people experience in construction and welding, there is another profile that is quite frequently invited, which is power engineers, and there are also food service processing managers or supervisors. So these are also based on the need,
Yes.
getting invited. So this was it. We wanted to give you the knowledge of all the NOCs which are very frequently invited. And for that, we looked at the last so many draws
Yes.
and made this list for you. So if your job profile is closely linked with these NOCs, you should go ahead and apply for your.
But if your job is not something that we have listed in this NOC category, don't get disheartened. nobody can predict
No.
any PR or any SINP draw.
Yeah.
It is only based on analysis, and
That's
who
right.
knows if what is in demand in the next draw.
Right.
So it is only the government who knows this. Actually, guys, don't get disheartened. This is our analysis and a factual analysis that we have done actually from their draws.
Right.
It's not something that we think might help you. So
Yeah.
again, take your call and then take the right career path.
That's right. So yes, guys, as Neha said, don't get disheartened if your occupation is not in one of these NOCs that we spoke about. We are in no means as an expert, and who predicted that COVID is gonna hit?
Exactly.
So things got changed. Some of the governments, they did not invite so many people. They missed some draws, and some they did 2 or 3 draws in a month.
Yeah.
Sometimes, so you never know what happens. So don't lose hope. And hopefully we would like to wish you all the best, and
Yes.
and if we are ready, happy to help you. If you want to leave a comment, let us know what you want to know next, and
We gladly help.
before we go, we have a little messenger that comes in to
Thank you. Please subscribe
Please subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
and give it a big thumbs up.
thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
now.
Bye.